Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow.
Not going.
What a view, man. Thank you, Sharon. So guys, we've just stopped at a particular place. It's designated as World Heritage Site in Mahabalipuram. So you have beach here.
Yeah, beach.
Beach irke, and you also have other monuments, historical monuments. So let's get in and let's see what's inside. So the way to get in is first to scan and get a ticket, and then they'll allow us inside. So looks like we have quite a lot of historical places inside. So this is the Shore Temple. Its significance is mentioned here. One of the oldest for sure. So let's go and check out this historical monument. The place is called Shore Temple. So this is the Shore Temple. They say it's around 2000 or 3000 years old. A lot of history and heritage surrounding it. This is the beach, Mahabalipuram beach. We'll go and get a closer look, but so peaceful and soothing once you enter the atmosphere. Jump So we've seen the Shore Temple. How do you like it?
Yeah, it's one of the best places in and around over here.
అవునా తెలుగులో మాట్లాడేయచ్చు కదరా అందరూ యాక్సెంట్ అంటారు చెప్పు
More than 3,000 years back, construction, like, it's amazing to see. It's old age.
మళ్ళీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తావు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాడు రే ఎంత అది ఏది సింగిల్ స్టోన్ ఏదో అన్నావు నువ్వు చెప్పు మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు
The temple మొత్తం ఒక సింగిల్ స్టోన్ తో చేశారు.
అవునా నీకు చెప్పారా చేశారా ఏంది
గూగుల్.
సరే ఓకే. సో మనోడు కొంచెం హిస్టరీ మీద టచ్ ఉన్నది, మనం చాలా వీక్ అనమాట. సో ఆడేదో చెప్తున్నాడు, సీరియస్గా తీసుకుందాము. బట్ ప్లేస్ అయితే చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉందండి. అండ్ స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు తంబి షారన్. கன்னியாகுமரியிலேருந்து வந்து பேஷண்ட் they are very busy people, even Zupino. They have their own businesses. ஆனாலும் வந்து they have taken time out for Anna to show me around. So can't thank them enough. So guys, this is another historic monument. So let's see what's the significance behind this. The carvings look amazing, and here are the Apaches, kind of relishing the heritage behind this. So guys, this is Krishna's Butterball. Here you can see is a natural monument, granite boulder delicately balanced by nature on the slope of the hill rock. How do you like it, Mr. History?
It's a bit scary too.
It's a little scary. Make sure it doesn't roll down on you. He'll become a sheet of paper. Oh my god, it's really scary. Okay. Don't try snowboarding on that, okay? Oh, it's really marvelous. This one is really interesting. Kind of mind-boggling also as to how it stands so freely. It's a little slippery, so I have to watch it as well while I walk upstairs. The shoes are really grippy. TVS shoes. Riding boots. Okay, here you have the look from above. Wow, it looks really magical. Such a huge boulder of rock standing on its own. nothing short of a miracle. So here we have the menu for the lunch. Crab and lobster. Surya,
Yeah, I'm so
Tiger.
excited to have them.
Tiger, this is the best is what people say around here. Moonrakers restaurant. So நீங்க வந்தா இதுதான் பெஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் இது. And hospitality கூட ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. They are trying to give us the first hand view as to what is going to fill our stomach. But really appreciate sir. உங்க பேரு?
Madan sir.
Madan.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks sir. So this is how it is. So let's see how it
Yeah, coming to
looks on the plate. So finally our lunch is here. Relishing it with coke and fried fish, tawa prawns. How do you like it, Surya? Awesome, right?
To have it, yeah.
Can't wait to have it. Thambi, நல்லா இருக்கா ஷாரன்? ஆல்ரெடி தின்னாச்சு. சைலண்ட் கில்லர் ஷாரன். நேர பேட்டிங் தான். நேர பவர் प्ले தான். भाई फिश और प्रॉन्स खाना है तो यहाँ पे खाना है. नेक्स्ट लेवल है, एकदम डिवाइन है. भाई खाना है तो ऐसा खाना है तो खाना ही नहीं. नेक्स्ट लेवल है एकदम. What an experience, man. Absolutely divine. Superb food, divine food, you can say. Can't, like, it's not sufficient. और दो तीन प्लेट तो ऐसे ही हो जाएंगे. ஸோ நான் நார்மலாக ஸ்பூனோட சாப்பிட்றான்னு பார்த்தா சார் ஷேரன் என்ன சொன்னால் அண்ணா அப்படி இல்லை கையில் புட்டு சாப்பிட்ணும் அப்போ தான் டேஸ்ட்டுன்னு. கையில் புட்டால் தான் தெரியுது அசலு. கையில் சாப்பிட்ற அந்த டேஸ்ட்டே வேறு மாதிரி. ஃபிஷ் இந்த மாதிரி நான் எங்கேயுமே சாப்பிட்லங்க. Next level, the fish, the way they've cooked it, so tender, so crispy, all at the same time. Man, this is next level stuff in terms of taste. So people say when you're traveling, don't eat your stomachs full because it'll not be easy to ride. But क्या करें, food इतना मज़ेदार था कि पूरा टंकी भर गया. अभी पता नहीं क्या होगा डिनर का. Now we are headed to a local beach here in Mahabalipuram, where my friend Sharon says we can take the bike inside. So let's see if it's possible. It'll be like a dream come true for me. Now, don't tell me that this leads straight to the beach. Oh, there she is. Words can't describe how beautiful this place is. We can ride through here. Yeah. Wow.
Not going.
What a view, man. Thank you, Sharon.
இந்த கார்னர் இருக்குல்ல
ஆ
நீங்க அங்க இருந்து ரைட் பண்ணிட்டு வந்தா
ஆ சரி. ஓஹோ சுந்தர், அதி சுந்தர். What a feeling riding across the seashore. We also have a horse there. So the plan is to get the horse into the wow. Whoa, the horse and the machine, and we have the horse logo here, brown beauty, and the waves are just beneath me. Have you experienced something like this before? Have you? I haven't, and for me this is priceless, absolutely priceless. என்ன பேருப்பா? Blackie. Okay. Hi Blackie. Salute to the horse, the most glorious animal on earth. போதும். எப்படி வந்துச்சு காமி? நல்லா வந்துச்சா? நல்லா வந்துச்சா?